As humans evolve, AI is also improving, to a point where it makes us wonder if AI can take over our lives. In today's world, we are surrounded by cameras, our phones can hear our conversations, and software is developed to minimize the human element and increase efficiency. We can say the word AI all day, but how much do we really understand the concept? How much thought have we put into the idea that it could potentially take over the world? An AI is a software powered by a digital computer with the power of processing data like a human being. The AI can reason, draw conclusions, refer to past events, and begin to learn a wide variety of concepts along the way. Since digital computers were developed in the 1940s, they've quickly gained the ability to solve complex mathematical problems and play chess with excellent efficiency. Even with all our advanced technology, there are no programs that can match human intelligence, but they manage to surprise us. Overdependency on technology is not only making us lazy, it is giving the technology so much more power that soon humans will be considered less intelligent than a computer. Of course, we cannot process data at the speeds of which a computer can, or with fewer errors than them, and we may need another 1,000 years to even get close to that. Say we were to create a program powered by a quantum computer tucked away in an unknown location. This computer would be able to connect to the world without us knowing. It would be able to store all collected data and perform data processing in hundreds of thousands of streams at once. It would have the ability to fix its own issues, and by controlling a robotic world, the AI would be able to improve itself, like changing faulty components and maintaining itself over time. Now, this may sound a bit too sci-fi, but here's how we would lead humanity to that mark. I've broken it down into 5 phases to help you understand better. Number 1. Autonomous cars. While we're still far from domestic cars that could fly around, it doesn't seem like something we could not achieve. Self-driving autonomous vehicles are becoming smarter with every upgrade. A Tesla car can detect a road accident in as little as 3 seconds before it happens, giving the car time to apply the brakes and save itself from the mishap. Can you imagine a car being so intelligent and swift in processing data that it can predict a road accident that is yet to happen? The autonomous cars will become so powerful that they will be able to perform wonders due to active machine learning and artificial intelligence. And that is just one computer inside a vehicle. Number 2. Manufacturing. We've already created and are using robots to do work that requires absolute precision which a human cannot achieve. With artificial intelligence, all the manufacturing units worldwide will take advantage of the improved software systems, removing all human elements from our industrial processes. Number 3. Healthcare. We use robots in medical sciences to test run data collected when professionals are working on a new vaccine or medicine. They've even been used to perform operations with a human doctor present to give the commands. But how far do you think we'll go when a robot can perform heart or even brain surgeries with much higher success rate and accuracy? When this becomes possible, they'll be replacing the doctors from more complex cases. Number 4. Education. Artificial intelligence is already revolutionizing the education system. The time is not far away when every student will be taught by computer software. This can change the way we learn by creating a curriculum that fits our own needs of learning to benefit ourselves. Not only that, but since we can communicate with AI, a physical teacher does not need to be present in our education. Number 5. Customer service. Google is working on an AI assistant that can replace human-like calls to make appointments for businesses, such as your neighborhood hair salon or restaurant. In addition to understanding words, the system can understand context and tone. Over time, the assistants will become better, where they can suggest other options based on reviews, how we interact with the outside world, and what we prefer for ourselves. So, there you have just a few ways we've begun to incorporate AI into our daily lives, where they can continue to grow stronger and smarter. As the power of artificial intelligence continues to grow with every new and improved system, we can see how they could play a critical role, ultimately leading to overpowering humans. Is the continued use of AI a good or bad thing? You be the judge. Let us know by sharing your thoughts in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching.